It is not just for only her, okay? It's for everyone. If same type of things occur, then you have to do it in this way, okay? Okay, where is the link? You can, do you know you can make a copy out of that for yourself?
So we can just copy the link given upper.
Okay, I will show you. Okay, all of you just see on the screen. I will show you exactly right now. Let's say that was a project work of OBT. Can you see on the screen, all of you? See the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you see the screen regarding OBT, that work was group work here. And let's go to this sign. So you can see those who have not done at all, I have called them also for remedial. Thinking maybe what is the problem, because maybe that's the time they have to finish it. All those whose works are still not written will be often called for a remedial, okay? Like I have to return it back to you, accepting the work. Once I accept it, then only that would be the best thing. So here,
So you have returned to me.
okay, that's no, not only of this,
Also.
that's for others also. Now you can see here, okay? Even
Sir, I have already sent you the link.
okay, I will just show you. Okay, Priyanshi, just look here. Like Aditi, she has turned in, but there is nothing over here. Aslesa also nothing is there. Parth also nothing is here. Sargams also nothing is here. Although they have
Sir,
turned in.
I said enough to send me the presentation, but I didn't get it.
Okay, but what is this?
I don't have Parth's email.
It's showing blank in mine. So you can see here, nothing is here. It's totally blank. Okay, so you have to send it. If you send that with blank, 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 and when I have to evaluate, what happens is that I might first keep 0 for sending blank, but later on, if I find your member has mentioned your name, that you were in that group, then I will not give you that full credit. I will just make sure little marks goes down when you do turn it in directly from your
Sir,
card.
we have to submit it because, sir, it comes in the list that we don't do the assignment and the notification comes always.
Yeah, that's what I told. Submit the work. Don't just turn it on. Don't click turn it on like even if you have not submitted anything yet. Except if it's telling you to prepare for exam, you can turn it on. Even if you even because that's not a written work to submit. Okay, but at least it will remember. You'll remember that you had to study for that exam, and just click it.
Sir, I have sent you the link.
Okay, I'm checking that.
Excuse me, sir.
Where is it? I can't see Priyanshi.
Priyanshi,
what are you sending?
this is Priyanshi, what are you sending? Avast.com.
Avasta.
What do you mean by Avast?
This is an antivirus.com
Free
for
antivirus
the computer.
protection for your PC.
Yeah, maybe she's telling me to keep some antivirus. Is it? Is it Priyanshi?
No, sir. The link was
Are
given
you
that
preventing
only.
Sir's computer from getting glitched?
Yeah.
So he gets all the attachments on time.
Okay, now. Okay, let me show you. Okay, Priyanshi, that's what I told you. You just see on the screen. I will teach you how to do that. Okay, like Priyanshi's itself, you can see. Like there's no file from us, but who is your group member? Where send it from our group?
Aditi.
Sir, I have sent
Aditi
it.
also she has not sent.
Sir,
How
I
can-
also have sent. Me and Ivan have sent it.
No, I'm saying from our group, Priyanshi's group.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Sir,
we
I'm
are from
talking
Priyanshi's
about that
group
only.
only.
Me and Ivan have sent it.
Okay, how many of you are in Priyanshi's group? Can you raise your virtual hand?
So what did you say?
I asked how many of you are in Priyanshi's group. Priyanshi. Okay, next is Subrat. Okay, now I'll see up Subrat here. Okay. Okay, Subrat. Okay, you can see the file is over here. Now let me open this. So this is coming here. You can see his file. Now, if I try to open this, it will work. Okay, you can see here.
Sir, I don't have that file, so I just like turned in. I just.
No, please do not turn it on if you don't have the file.
Sir, like that only I
won't open.
No, can you just see for some time?
Add it to Google Drive and do it. No, that's how I did it. Like add it in Google Drive and do it. That's
Nancy,
like how I
want to
did it.
download the
Please,
file.
no, no,
Now
please.
I like
to open in Google Slides also if you can't do that.
I also wasn't using links.
Microsoft PowerPoint, isn't it? From grade,
Yes, sir. We were using Microsoft PowerPoint.
yeah, and this Google Slides are they are similar. So you can see here, there is a download here. You can download this also.
So direct from the email also we can,
Or you can,
download
yes,
it.
directly here you can see Google Slides here. If you open in Google Slides, if you get the link from your friend directly, you will see it's opening here. Now you can see I opened it. The file is already open in my Google Slide. Now if I want, I can download here. Download PowerPoint. It will be downloaded here. Now you can see here. Okay. See, the PowerPoint has been downloaded already.
Or but that's not how I send it.
You can do something like here, make a copy for you. Can you see this link, make a copy?
Yes, sir.
You can make a copy and this copy will be kept separately for you differently and you can send that as well.
Sir,
Yes, Parth.
sir, like I have a easy way from which she can send. If Aditi has sent her from the email,
Yeah.
from the email also there is a download button. You download it and then at the bottom there will come a bar and there will be the PPT. And then you go to the thing where you want to send and then you do add or create. Go to file and you will see that down in the downloads and then you can keep it
Okay.
and send it.
Okay, is that clear? Now let's you try that out. If it still doesn't work out, we will talk that during even remedial times also. But if it's a problem for everyone, we'll talk it in the class time. Is that clear? Remedial only if there are less number of students having same problem. If not, mainly during the class time when everyone has the same similar type of problem, okay, or issues. Okay, so that's what I've been trying to tell. Let me close this for now. So everyone has to send it. If you even if your friend has sent and that I give that person 10 out of 10, but you have not sent, I might give you 8 because you have not sent it for now. Later on I might even keep it as slowly 8 7 6 5 4 3. It might be going down. For now, for first time I felt you are having problems, so I am little flexible at first for that, but slowly that will be little form and the decision will be straight away into 0 credit. Is that clear? So you have to think, sir is flexible for first week, slowly second week onwards you will make that little more and more, like you'll be very firm with the decision. Okay, now another thing, so that's what I told about the remedial. If it's a common concern of everyone, we'll discuss it in the class time itself. And same next thing is like, try not to send too many images file. Okay, try to make sure it's one photo when you're clicking a photo and sending. Like when you're sending too many photos, it takes so much time for me to open them turn by turn. So try your best to just take one photo as much as possible. Try your best. Is that clear? If it still doesn't work out, then only you can make it.
Sir, but there are so many pages that took for writing the question and answer, so we have to send them.
Can you see? Let's say this is my copy. Yes or no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Try to take from here to here at once for now.
Yes, sir, I do that, but still, like, I have a short copy, so it takes.
Okay,
much
then that's
pages.
fine. Try not to take this much little, this much little, this much little, this much. For now, because my software is taking so much time to open them. I have to wait around 5 to 10 seconds just to open one person. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have sent you the Google search once. Can you check?
Right now, no, I'll check afterwards. Okay, PNC.
Okay, sir.
Maybe afterwards we can check that person, not during class time. Personally, for personal people, we can give a personal time because mainly let's discuss the things which everyone needs during the class time right now. You can send me a Viber message like 3 to 4 also. I told you can ask question at that time, 5 o'clock onwards remedial. for now. So what you do is, if you have 2 3 pages also, take this photo one, then again next two, try to reduce less number of images for now. Okay, for
Sir,
now.
I take the picture of double side so it's easy for
Yeah,
me to
yes, it's
send.
easy for you also, and it's looking easy for me also for now. Let's try that out. Okay, so that, why is because like I have a different way of checking. I'll show you right now, and you can exactly see how much time it's taking to open that. Okay, let's say
Okay, sir.
I'll show you on the screen so that you will exactly understand like why it's taking so much time. Okay, now here, if we go to OBT, let's say this was your assignment. Let's say not this one. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, and you can see 11 running, 5 assigned, still some are not, still not left, not done. Now let's say I'm trying to open Iris Thetas. Okay, now you can see here it's opening. Now it opened. Okay, it's of just this much only kept because the work was itself less. One more point is still left, right? I told you to think from 5 marks perspective: 1 2 3 4 5. So if I need to tick here, nothing gets tick, but I can tick it. Okay, now you can see how much time is taking to open. Okay, just see one only, so you'll know. Now I have to for first time I have to authorize. Now I can you see I have to convert also. Now I have to convert
Yes,
also.
sir.
And you see how much time am I waiting right now. Just now think, okay, when there are many, how much time it will take. Okay, if you keep 10 images, how much time is going to sort take for 10 images? So that's why
Sir,
try.
it takes like 2 minutes till now.
Yeah, so try your best. Although my speed of internet is around, I'll just show you that it's good speed. Okay, but still maybe computer is slow also. Now finally it opened. Now I have to fit this to the screen. Now it fitted to the screen. Now I check my pen. Okay, okay, I might start like taking a step of this. The importance of traditional occupation in context of Nepal are they utilize local resources. Okay, if I see maybe some things, did you see what I marked? Do you see this mark in yours? No. Even if I mark, you're not seeing because you have to download this extension if you have. Is that clear?
Yes,
Or
sir.
if you want to see the what I've been marking, you have to download this extension. I will send you the link of extension also. And if you, can you see the speed of my internet right now?
That is
Yes,
very
sir.
fast.
Okay. In spite of keeping this
Yes,
fast
sir.
internet, I have to still wait. Okay, so that is why I've been telling you, try your best to reduce the number of images for now. When it is images, it will be a little faster for me. If there are too many images, then that's when I have to wake up all night, because that itself is taking time for me to wait. For you, it might take less time, but for me, you just multiply by number of students you are. Okay, 23 or 24. Okay, so can you try to reduce the number of images as much as possible? But the work has to be given in quality. Okay, like sending in one itself the whole same paper, and I can comment it itself there. Are you able to see the comments that I've been writing over there? Are you able to
Yes,
see those?
sir. Yes, sir. We can.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, in the whatever I've commented on your page itself, are you able to see this? Please write.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
not
sir.
here, but in the comment, private comment,
Yes,
you can
right
see.
now on the screen you can see,
Yes.
but when but right now, even Aries Theta, if he tries to see, he will not see that comment because you don't have this software, you don't have this extension called Kami over there installed. So if you want to see that, maybe you have to install that comment. Okay, you have to install that extension in your laptop or Chrome. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you will be able to see that if I have kept those comments, and I'll be telling you if I've written the comments in using this extension. Is that clear? So directly, if I see, I can like normally I've not been taking. You will see that I've been keeping hashtag over there. If I've kept hashtag thing, so I has already read that page. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
just let me show you that hashtag once again. Can you see I've made one hashtag over here, small hashtag? Sometimes that can be big also, sometimes it is small as well, okay?
Sir, where is hashtag? I could not see it.
Yeah, that's quite small over here right now. Just wait because okay, so you can see right now I cannot increase the size because my screen has been displayed, okay?
Sir,
Okay, can you okay, I'm typing it, let's say hashtag, and then if I increase the size, you can see, did you see this hashtag over here? Right now it's coming small because of one reason, okay?
Yes.
I'm presenting right now, that's why also. And it's not going below this. Is that clear? When I'm presenting, I cannot increase the font size because it's going below my screen. Did you understand?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is
Yes,
the
sir.
feedback regarding the assignment. So today, more or less, we give time to feedbacks rather than doing all of them in remedial. We can't do. I told you all the. If it's a common problem of everyone, that is not separate time for remedial. Okay, it has to be done during the class time itself. So any other things? Okay, I'll give you a link of this extension right now if you think it can work out in yours.
Sir, I can't download it because my storage is full.
It doesn't have to be downloaded, it just needs to be installed. But if your computer has slow RAM, then don't do that. Okay. Okay. See this link. And all of you, just those whose computers are fast and your RAM is good, only install it. If not, try not to install it. You just see the comments on the message. Is that clear? You will see where exactly the teacher marked out. That's why if I just write on the message, like you're not able to see what is the feedback written there. Okay. Okay. Those whose computers are good enough just to support RAM, then you can just install it. Minimum, if it is 4 GB RAM to 3 GB RAM, it will support if there are not AB softwares.
Sir,
Okay.
I downloaded.
You don't have to. You have to just add to Chrome there. Is it written there? Add to Chrome. Did it get added to Chrome?
I added.
Okay,
Sir, yes, but it's asking for email and password.
yeah, you have to keep your email and password itself. You can keep it of school itself. I also used of school itself. Whatever extension I'm keeping in Chrome, I've been giving all the school's email address for now.
Sir, and we need to use and we need to click the student button, yeah?
Yeah, because you're a student. I did it from teachers. So you can just see where the teacher has marked it's a problem. Okay, exactly. Rather than writing on the other side, you cannot see. But only for those if you're using from other devices, it might be difficult. I think mobile also accepts it. Maybe I've not tried out. My mobile is not so fast, so I've not tried out. And there are other too many apps, and I have not tried out in mobile. So did you install? And please start checking accordingly the comments. Are you clear?
Sir, what is the name of the extension?
Yes, sir.
Sir, isn't it time? Isn't it time?
Yeah, it's time also. Did you
Sir,
install?
my laptop is slow and I could not
Okay, and
download
if your
anything.
laptop is slow, then try not to keep all this extension. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Try not to keep all this extension. Even if you have kept it, uh, you have to deactivate when you're not using. I'll show you how to deactivate there also afterwards. You have to deactivate so that you can just see exactly where the teacher marked. Because if I just write generally at the right hand side, I think some of them are not understanding. So I've started writing exactly over there, but so you are not able
Sir,
to
the extension is time.
time.
The name of the extension.
No, KAMI Kami. you can see here on my tab. Can you see this on the screen?
Sir, you're not sharing it.
No, right now I started sharing.
Yes, sir, Kami.
Okay, this is the link, and here it will come add to Chrome. You have to click here. Mine is already added, so I have to remove. Like if you don't need it, either you have to remove or you have to, like, let's say, deactivate it for some time when your computer gets hanged. Okay, if you think your computer is getting, like, your Chrome is getting hanged because of that extension, then you have to remove it. If not, if you want to see my comments, you can add that and see it. Although I'm keeping on both the sides for now. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Any confusion? So please do that and start seeing the comments accordingly and work out.
Okay.
sir.
And please do the correction accordingly.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.